A wonderful day. And these people sort of had an adventure. So, these people said, you can all go with me. And Rubella, stay here to keep in charge of the other microbes. Yes, sir, said Rubella. All the microbes went up the stairs, flew away, landed all over the place. Flew and landed, and splat they went. They just jumped all over the place fast can be. They slid on the ground, they jumped on themselves, and they slid until they crashed another microbe, just like platelet. They bounced and banged all across the place till there was a dead end. They had to cross a big lily pad place. TB was the first one to cross, but then all the other microbes did not know what to do. You must step on those lily pads. So then, instead, Amoeba and his Russellphilians flew across and landed all down. While these microbes decided to fall down. Yes, we must fall down. Go! So they skid across the place onto the lily pad and skid to the other side of the electric circle, which has been flooded. These mostly look like origami. This looks like a sea sparkle place. That reminds me of the geoparkle sea sparkle. Yes, it does. We finally reached on top. It went down. It was just landing in a new world that they'd never ever known. It flew down to see what was the map in this new world. Dozens and dozens of microbes flew down on the king's palace. Ow, stop hurting me, a voice said. He opened up. All the microbes clear out the way as fast as I can. And the king, there was a king. All his soldiers ready to attack an enemy. The king was somewhere down there. Clap was beginning to look at them, and then they went away to the other side. The king was ready to see who that was. Go tell the king. So he told the king all what happened. The king said, "Are you a good guy? Yes or no?" The polio said yes, and then he had to take a vaccine from platelet, and then Clap told the whole story about him with the vaccine. The king was pleased. Then a little baby one came. A little baby crane. Small? Even smaller than a mini. As small as a mini stomach. Look, what is that? A little crane peeked at him and then flew away. Let's throw it! And he crashed all around till a little crane place with his father and babysitter. Rock-a-bye baby, how cute, he said. But then disaster struck. The microbes back out there were getting stuck. It's a micromagnet, she said. Oh no! All the rest of the guys also flew into. Ow! Oh! And then all the other babies also joined in and crashed into each other. Then the disaster struck. Whoa! What's happening? We're home! Crane, go find a new home. Crane? Where are you? Crane. Okay. Mother! Father! Find a new home. I found it. I found one. Right here. Good place to see. If I could go there, I'd rather not go there. Maybe, yes.